guys, welcome back again. We're at another car meet. This was sponsored by, oh, where is it? Oh, it's over here. Walmart. My boy, the hottest one in the car meet right now. The hottest one in the car meet right now. Chilling. My son pulling a fly though. The hottest one here. My bad, guy. I'm eating some Hershey's right now. Yo, what are those? Some ints? Those are ints done. Oh, swerving. I'm swerving on it. Oh, scraping though. The scrape like real. Oh, we got my boy Billy over here. Okay, clean though. Yo. Oh yeah, wap 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 wap. Oh yeah. You heard? Oh, I forgot. Look, he put some wheels on his John. He's still over there just cruising. And I'm about to show you how this EM2 real quick. Oh shit. What's up, bro? Just chillin'. But look, bro. He put some Johns and cut them Johns, though. Ooh. Ooh.
You went inside it. Sit in the thing like ET. Sit in the basket. You got the hoodie on. You got the hoodie on too.
Oh, man. Go ahead. Oh, yeah, it's lit. Give y'all a close up.
We started off as close friends. Somehow you turn into